Thank you so much for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss mathematics paper 1. This is a paper which can be understood by any student in secondary school. So welcome to the lesson. Remember to subscribe and to share with your friends. Remember to subscribe and to share with your friends. Click the share button so that you may invite a friend. Yeah, as you can see on the screen, Shifting Grades Online School is already wishing the 2024 candidates all the best, together with all the followers of this great channel. So feel appreciated and feel recognized. You're going to make it in the KCSE 2024 examination. So thank you so much for being part of these programs. We wish you success. Okay, on the other side, I must say something about the online tuitions on Google Meet. This is a program which is going to run for exactly 1 month, 11th November to 11th December 2024 for mathematics and physics. Welcome all and invite your friends. For registration, please feel free to contact our number, which I'm going to display on the screen. That is 0704 15 3366. So contact me through that number and we shall be able to recruit you. We will be able to register you for the lessons and all shall be well. So let's now get to the paper itself. It's a mathematics paper 1, and I've said we will find Form 1, Form 2, Form 3 concepts, and we shall understand all of them. The first question is saying that the ratio of ages of Anne and Ben is 4:5. If Anne's current age is 24 years, calculate Ben's current age. So these are ratios and proportions from one work. As we all know, a ratio can be expressed as a fraction. So the ratio of Anne to Ben means that if we divide their ages, we're going to get 4/5. That is the simplest meaning of the ratio. And that means because Anne is mentioned first, then she takes 4 proportions. Ben is mentioned second, so he takes 5 proportions. Now that we are given the age of Anne, then we will say that when we take Anne's age, 24, divided by a known age of Ben, we are supposed to get the ratios of their ages. And at this point now, we can get the value of x, whereby we can even cross multiply and have 4 by x equals to 24 by 5. And after the cross multiplication, now we can remain with x having 24 by 5 divided through by 4. And this will give the value of x, which is Ben's age, as exactly 30 years. That is going to be the age of Ben in years. Let's continue following. As I said, remember to invite your friends from your schools and even beyond. Solve for t in the equation 2/3 minus 1¼ plus 5/6 divided by 2/3 of 2 and 1/7 minus 1 and 1/7. Let me deal, then we have plus 1.3, and you can see that 3 is recurring. Then this is equal to 1/t. Let me begin with the numerator of the first term, whereby I love to take 2/3 minus a quarter can be written as 5/4, then plus 5/6. And this is going to give us exactly 1/4, or rather a quarter. That is giving us exactly a quarter. That is from the numerator of the first term. Now, the denominator of the same term is going to be 2/3 of means multiplication. when we are working out this order of operations of means multiplication, then we multiplying this by 2 and 1 over 7, which is 15 over 7. 15 out of 7. So that multiplication can happen. Then we minus 1 and a 7th, which is 8 out of 7. 8 out of 7. So this is going to be by 3, 1, by 3, 5. So 10 over 7 minus 8 out of 7. And this is going to be exactly 2 over 7. That one is sorted. So we can combine now for the first term, the numerator and the denominator solution, whereby it is a quarter divided by 2 over 7, which is a quarter multiplied by 7 out of 2. This is 7 out of 8. That part is sorted. Now the other part is plus 1.3 recurring. It's good for you to know that. Now it will be 7 over 8, and we add, this will be 1 and a third, because 0.333 when changed to a fraction becomes a third. So we will be exactly having 7 out of 8 plus 4 out of 3 when we convert the recurring fraction, or the mixed number, which was a recurring decimal. And this is going to give us exactly 2 and 5 out of 24. So 2 and 5 out of 24. Now, 2 and 5 over 24 can be written as an improper fraction, which is 53 out of 24. 53 over 24. And now at this point, we can wind up now by equating now with 1 over t. So 53 over 24, 53 out of 24 is equivalent to 1 out of t. If this is so, then it means for us to get t, we are taking the reciprocal of the right-hand side. And so we also need to take the reciprocal of the left-hand side. 24 out of 53. So this becomes now our final answer, which is the value of t, which is the value of t. As we continue learning again, let me remind you of this program whereby I'm giving you the best and the most conversant way of purchasing airtime for any network, be it Safaricom, be it Airtel, be it Telcom. Just go to your M-Pesa menu, and the pay bill number is 737356. When you enter the pay bill number, you proceed to account number, whereby the account number is going to be the phone number which you intend to purchase airtime for. So that phone number, now after you've entered it, you proceed now to complete the transaction. Then your airtime is going to reflect instantly. So kindly continue supporting our programs. I'm also reminding you of the online tuitions for all continuing students, except the candidates now of 2024. So whether you are going to Form 2, Form 3, or Form 4 next year, you are encouraged to join our programs. Every student is going to be taken care of. We're going to be revising all levels of content. That's why I'm even including Form 1 and Form 4, because Form 3 will be getting an introduction to Book for Work, and Form 3 will be getting an introduction to Form 4, Form 2 an introduction to Form 3, and Form 1s will be getting an introduction to Form 2 work. This comes together with the revision of your current classwork and also revision for the previous classes. Feel free to register and join our wonderful programs. This comes as we continue wishing success to all the 2024 KCSE candidates. Feel appreciated for having been very wonderful followers of Shifting Grades. We really wish you well. Thank you so much. All right, so we continue now. In number 3, simplify the expression. We are simplifying an expression which says 2m minus am minus 2y plus ay divided by, we have 4 minus a squared. Let me deal with the numerator first. Let me deal with the numerator first. So from the numerator, because it's already simplified, it's not even a quadratic, it's just a linear expression. So in every two terms, we factor out any common term. And you can see that 2m minus am, m is common. So we factor out m, so that will remain with 2 minus a. Then in the other terms, we have negative y being common, so that and we will get back to the original expression. We get back to the original expression. Check something with my screen.